Let's pack a smart lunch. Healthy and fresh. Healthy, she says. Morning mission, it's time for school. Hip, hip, hooray. Let's pack a lunch the smart way. Open the box, look inside. We'll choose good foods with care and pride. Choose one by one. Healthy eating is so much fun. Apples, berries, grapes so sweet. Fruits are juicy, what a treat. Let's put fruit in one small space. Bright colors smiling in your case. Under question. Can you name a red fruit? How many fruits are we packing? Carrots, cucumbers, crunchy and green. The freshest veggies you've ever seen. Veggies go in their own neat spot. Healthy bodies like that a lot. Answer question. Pretend to crunch a carrot. Sandwich, eggs or beans inside. Protein helps us grow with pride. Crackers, rice or bread so nice. Grains give energy in every bite. Answer question. Which food helps you grow strong? Can join the crew, but healthy foods are number one, it's true. Balance is the smart chef's way. Strong and focused